Hello, babe.
Hey, my love. How you doing? My sweetheart.
Continue.
My ride or die. My wife. The most beautiful man in the whole world. Oh, my money just come. I'll change your life.
She what?
See, my love, the money just show like this. I'll buy the whole world.
Will
Don't
you
worry.
keep quiet?
Don't worry.
Okay, but I'm pregnant.
Eh?
He shot you.
Precious, everything.
I'm pregnant.
Hey! When my mama see the feed.
I'm sorry, yo.
Child. You are
He
pregnant.
shot you.
So me can go begin expect picking happy. I can go begin my baby clothes. Baby this, baby that. What is that economy? Put in the regime. Oh God, no, nah. No. Even me, now one boss out of the way for many years. They come now. So never day to wash them. As I talk like this, my last 3 weeks I wash them last.
She what?
Let me walk around speaking. No, nah, no. Me, father. No.
You be mumu.
No, who God who say this girl come? Who say now? Who say now?
I'm sorry, yo. Sorry, yo.
What I want to do now? I need to run come on for this country before people go know. I need to leave town now. Like I need to lose.
You're marvelous to go.
When I ask more question, I dey lost like this. I dey go the land of no return. Which days that I wan even pass sef? No wahala, Shama enter out first. This one now, this one. Hello.
Young man, don't think of running. Now your babe papa dey talk. Congratulations, oh, your wife don't get belle. I just say man congratulate you. No easy.
This girl Mumu.
He shot you.
You know how you go tell your papa?
Continue.
Wetin concern me? My mom be say I dey lost like this. I dey go the land of no return. If they see me again, make I bend. That unborn child never say anything. Because me I dey lost like this. The country when I dey go, I never know. I mean one race speaking. Can't move talk with that one. Where man dey go, Joe? What happen? What happen?
What type of plane is this?
Hey! I don't forget say Papa na native doctor. Better strong babalawo. Chai! They don't me here like this.
Photo.
Who send me? Who send me? Who send me? Let me want speaking.
I'm sorry, yo. Sorry, yo.
Who send me? Go. Who send me? Chai! I don't go give native doctor pikin belle oh.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't know like this one, so you're gonna like the next one. I promise. Just subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Thank you. One love. See you next time.